So there you will receive a zip file like this, and then you need to unzip or extract these things. So there I am going to extract these things. After extract this, you will receive a folder. So you need to open this folder. So there you can see that there is a terminal, and also there is one option is terminal exe. Okay, so if you open this terminal, there you will receive all the Forex robot. Okay, before apply these things, you need to do two things. There is, first you need to make auto trading, make it green, and also you need to go to the options, and there you can see one thing is the expert advisor. You need to select these things, allow DDL import. Okay, so when you open this terminal for the first time, maybe you can get these things. So there you need to see one thing, add new broker, like broker name. Okay, so if you see that your broker server name is not available here, there you need to search your broker name. Say for example, if I search the IC market, ICMARKETS. So if your broker name is IC market, just write IC markets, your broker name here, and then you need to click search. Okay, then you can see all the IC market servers are showing here. Do you see that? So if your IC market account server is IC market live 1, then click here and click next. And existing trade account, there you need to put the login details. Okay, so if you have any other broker like FX Pro, FXPRO, just search these things, and in short time there you can see the FX Pro broker server is showing.